Just thought we'd do a quick unboxing just to show you the brand new dog tracking GPS system from Garmin, the Alpha 200i K5 bundle. K5 bundle because this particular unit comes with not just the handset but the collar as well, which is the conventional K5 collar unit used on both the Atmos 100 and the Atmos 50. So those of you that may want one or two handsets will be pleased to know that the system is backward compatible and will work with both the new and the old collars, if you like, the same collar, i.e. the K5. So let's have a quick look and do the box. So first thing we see on the top is the screw-in antenna and the brand new handset. Straight away we noticed the difference on the screen size is a lot larger than the Atmos systems. We have additional buttons for ease of functionality when using the system, and more importantly, the 200i comes with Garmin Inreach built into it. So you have the functionality of satellite communication. So if you have no cell phone coverage and you're in a sticky problem and you need help, you can hit the SO button, which is hidden behind this flap, and send out a signal to GEOS, which is the global monitoring system, and you will soon have help on its way. Another good feature of the Inreach system with its satellite communication is that you can message people with short messages like a text system, not only viewable from your device, but it also comes with an app that will pair with your smartphone, so you have more functionality there, even though your smartphone doesn't necessarily have signal, because it can pair Bluetooth to the 200i handset. You can use the keyboard and functionality on your phone and it will come through into the handset. So it's a lot smarter looking unit than the 200i. It comes with the same spine mount features, so you can attach all your existing accessories such as car windscreen holders and the very universal clips that can attach it to your clothing or your backpack or any other devices. So you see here we have the conventional charging port, and to access the battery panel we have the same very familiar fastening system to remove the back panel. So inside you'll be pleased to see there's access for a SD card, a micro SD card. Maximum memory capacity is 32. Anything larger than that and it won't be accepted, so 32 is great. You can then download maps and other features, store on the memory of your SD card instead of clogging up the memory on the handset itself, which is not a problem. Okay, so let's see what else is in the box under the top cover. So we see we have the conventional K5 GPS tracking collar, which works absolutely fantastically with, like I said, both systems, both the brand new 200i and the existing Atmoses. There. And also we have a bag of bits. So as I mentioned earlier about the spine on the back of the device, which is on the back of the door here, is useful for taking your accessories. So we have a great pocket clip or putting on your jacket or your backpack. We also have the spine fitting that goes actually on the back of the device, slides up, locks in, and then there's a quick release system where the hand unit can swivel itself, and to detach it, sharp press down and lift up, and the handset comes free. We have a USB data cable and charging cable, another charging cable, yet another charging cable, and I'll come to that in a moment. We have your AC power adapter, which comes with additional fittings for UK and European power points, and also the lithium-ion battery, which does have a fast charge time. It has a good usage life, and if you need to, if you're away for a long time and you don't have power, you can buy additional batteries. So you can just take out the batteries that you've got in your device and replace it straight away. Failing which, you can charge it. You can have in-car chargers to charge not only the collars but also the handsets as well. I said I was going to come back to the charging system. So we have two cables. They do link together. So one actually charges the handset and one charges the collar unit itself. And there is a clip in the system here which actually goes over the K5 charging port, if you like. So it's totally waterproof. It just clips on over the top for charging, rather than a plug-in feature which could allow moisture to get in. So it comes with all the usual paraphernalia, do's and don'ts, and a quick start manual. While I've got the device out, I'll just attach the standard antenna. These have a really good range on them, these devices, but if you do find you need more range, then we do sell extended range antennas. So it's never a problem. So that's the actual size of the device from the front. I'll just clip the back unit on, like so. And just for comparison, this on the right is the Garmin Atmos 100, and on the left the brand new 200i, the Alpha 200i. So you can see straight away there is a huge difference in the screen size, which is terrific. I mean, the Atmos itself has a good screen size. It's touch screen, and the functionality of the touch screen allows you to use it with gloves on. And with the new 200i, same type of screen, easy to use with gloves on, but a lot bigger, a lot bigger. So side view. The Atmos on the right here, we do have a protective skin on there just to protect the device as it takes lots of hard knocks. It also shows you that we have a quick detach fitting on the spine. The 200i, even though we have the case on, does appear a lot narrower and a lot slimmer, easier to hold in the hand. And then again, there's the extra buttons on the side here. Obviously this is your on-off button, and the SOS button there again. We have carabiners that will fit on the bottom and lanyards, and we have the same fitting attachment here on the brand new 200i, all of which is available from our website. All the accessories for these devices, like I say, are available there, so feel free to have a look. So that pretty much wraps it up. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if there's anything else you want to know, please contact us and we'll see if we can help you out. Many thanks for watching and hope you enjoy the brand new 200i.